Hi, this is Sami again. We're going to do some log questions or natural log. Summertime, so very busy, enjoying the summer. And I haven't been as regular with my YouTube videos, but soon September comes and then we'll be able to load at least twice a week. And here we go, we're going to start doing these questions. So here is the first one. It's 2, the natural log of 2x plus 1 minus 8 equals 0. They want us to solve this. So the first thing we should do, we should move the negative 8 to the other side, becomes positive 8. So we'll have 2 ln 2x plus 1 equals 8. After this, I think we should divide both sides by 2. And then I have ln 2x plus 1 equals 4. At this stage, we're going to use the log rules. So change this from natural log form to exponential form. You know, if it's a natural log, then your base is e. So what does this become? It becomes 2x plus 1 equals e to the 4. So basically, it's the base to the power of here, or whatever is on the other side of the equal sign. So it goes like this: e to the power of this equals what's in here. Okay, so and that's what we get. 2x plus 1 equals e to the 4. Now we get 2x equals e to the 4 minus 1 by moving the 1 to the other side, and then divide both sides by 2. And therefore x equals e to the 4 minus 1 over 2. This kind of answer here, we call it the exact values. So instead of decimal and rounding off the decimal and all of that, you could just leave it an exact value. And that's what we usually do. If you are curious and you want to find out what it equals in decimal, then you just go in your calculator, you have a button that has the letter E. So you go E raised to the power of 4, whatever that gives you, minus 1. Enter that and then divide by 2, and it will give you what the decimal answer is if you're curious. Okay, and this is the answer for this one. The second one here, definitely 2 to the power of x, e to the 3x equals e to the 4. We're solving for x again. So to be able to do this, I have to introduce ln to both sides. So this will be ln 2 to the x, e to the 3x. So I'm lnning the whole thing here, equals ln e to the 4. And now, since I'm lnning two things that are multiplied, there's a multiplication table here. So you know if they're multiplied, you could change them to ln 2 to the power of x plus ln e to the 3x. So multiplication means you change it to adding. That's the log rule. And ln e to the 4, you bring the 4 down, and then you're left with ln e. And ln e is 1 because they are the opposite of one another. So ln e equals 1. So this will just give you 4. Now at this stage here, the lns or the log rules, they allow you to bring the exponents down. So I have x ln 2 plus 3x ln e, which ln e is 1, so I'm just going to get rid of that, equals 4. Now, if you notice here, both terms have x's in them. You have this first term and this is the second term. Both of them have x in them. So what you want to do at this stage, you want to take out x as the greatest common factor, and you're going to get ln 2 plus 3. When you take out the greatest common factor, equals 4. Then divide both sides by ln 2 plus 3, and then you'll end up with x equals 4 over ln 2 plus 3, and this is your exact value answer. If you're curious, you could always find out what ln 2 is and add a 3, and whatever you get, there you go, 4 divided by that will give you the decimal answer. But we leave these kind of questions in exact, or these answers in exact values. And this is it for this lesson. I hope you learned from this. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye-bye.